After 1 month of preparations, finally we're here. The sea, the sky, the beautiful women. Whoever comes to me and says that this is not heaven on earth, I will probably not believe him. My eagle eyes spotted some girls playing on influencers. Oh, how cute. This is Mariana, queen of the Bulgarian roses. This is me, having the time of my life, filming another of my creations. Every time you see us, you have to know that this is Team Bomba, the best team in the world. Many times the places we shoot are not so comfortable, or in this case dangerous. But who doesn't want to keep his celebrity status on Instagram and other social medias? Welcome to the place where everything's possible. We are making art. Not art, but clothing. Not clothing, but art. Today I will show you how to look stunning with this beautiful outfit that I have made. This is the look, and I will show you how to make it with your own hands. Maybe I should tell you that this look was made for 10 minutes. Don't lie the people like that. The process is 10 minutes. The filming was 3 hours. Because I have guests, my niece was coming at home, so she left to sleep and I had to film this video. You don't see circumstances we go through as YouTubers. And everybody wants to be a YouTuber, to be a star. But you have to be prepared that even the smallest details can take you hours and hours of work. I'm going to show you the most important steps and explanation of how I did it. First of all, you should choose your fabric really wisely. I've had this fabric for like 5 or 6 years. Finally, the time had come to make a photo shoot with it. This is imitation of snakeskin. Eco leader. Why it's called eco leader? Because it looks like a real animal, but animals have not been. I cannot imagine this. Why it's called eco when the coating on it, it's plastic. It's really hard, like you can see. Honestly, people, I don't know who came with this brilliant idea to put some slogans in it. Like on some of the photographies, the slogans came up really not so good looking. I don't know if you can see, but here, Mikra, like it's all over print. You have made free advertising if you didn't understand yet. But overall the fabric is really nice. If we put linen in it, the slogans are not going to be seen, but I really love the inside texture of it. For the fabric manufacturers, don't put any slogans into your fabric. Enough fooling around. Let's make the actual skirt. This is my board. After 30 minutes of searching for it, I have finally found it. We should measure our waist. If our waist is like 65 centimeters, our fabric should be 65 centimeters. It's really not so good looking, but like I cannot see what I'm doing. Even the kids in the kindergarten could do it better than this. This is our waist. Okay? Okay. Here and here I put my buckles, like these metal things for belts. And on the one part it should be belt, and in the other should be the buckle. We sew here and here. Here this thing should be pinched and sewn together. It will look more nicely on the waistline. On the left you see how I measure my waist. On the right you see me pinching this little point where I've said that you have to sew it to look better. I am proving my skills here on the sewing machine. Like, it's really absurd. I'm pretty happy that my channel doesn't show you some complicated stuff. I truly don't like patterns, and I truly don't like sewing and sewing for ages, and after all you see nothing. I like everything to be just simple and easy for you. And that's it. And finally, I'm revealing to you the final shots we made with Mariana. Like, she was phenomenal. And you should have seen the people staring at her, filming her as she was some Hollywood star. We see many unbelievable things while we go on public places to film. It's really awkward to see some daddies that are twice my age taking their cameras and hidden them in their towels, like they have never seen a woman in their life. She was like a goddess. Strange world we live in. So here you can see Moses, like he divides the sea in two for the people to just move to the other side. That was my first inspiration. On Instagram the pictures will gather much attention because they are super original and super creative. I really hope that you loved the look. The other team is Cleopatra, and I found some kind of a pyramid on the beach made by kids, so I just decided to put it on one of the pictures, so it looked really interesting. And I think that Cleopatra really turned out great. In the next video I'm going to show you the upper part, the corset, how easy it was made.